Hi guys, today we're going to have some fun with skip counting. Are you ready? Here we go. You'll need something circular like this plate will work. You will need something straight like this ruler, but it could be anything that has an edge like a book even would work. You'll need a pencil, and then you'll need some colored pencils or maybe a marker or something like that. So first I'm going to trace this to make a circle on my paper. I didn't say that. You'll need a piece of paper. Okay. And now we're going to divide this circle into 12 even parts. I'm going to try to find the center, which is about here, I'm going to say. So first I'll draw a line from top to bottom. And I'm going to turn my paper. It's easier for me right now, but you don't have to turn it, but you're going to go the other direction to divide it into 4 equal parts. So we had 2, now we have 4. Now, to make it 12, I have to make each of these sections divided into 3. So each of the fourths needs to be divided into 3. So I measured a little bit with my eye. It does not have to be perfect, but I'm going to do the same thing over here. Oh, you can barely see me over there. You'll get the idea. I'm going to trace a line from the dot up here where I'm pointing with the ruler all the way down to another dot that I have down here. There it is, you can see it. Okay, here we go. And then these 2 lines get to connect too. I'm going kind of fast. You can take your time. And like I said, really it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing for these other 2 quarters. Kind of guess how to divide it into 1, 2, 3 parts. And over here, 1, 2, I'm going to put it there. 1, 2, 3 parts. Okay, now I'm going to draw my lines to connect them. There are my dots. Okay. And you can always do this right along with me after you watch it. You can re-watch the video and you can pause as you go so that you can do something similar to what I did. I am going to be also attaching something you can print out if you have a printer that will look kind of like this, that you can use instead of making your own, and that is totally fine. Okay, so the first thing is I'm going to start writing the numbers 1 to 12 all the way around the center. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, my 2 is in a weird spot. I'm going to move it. Okay, this is very noisy tonight. Let's fix that a little bit. Okay, now I made my first circle. I'm going to go around now and I'm going to start with the 1s and I'm going to count from 1 to 12 and I'm going to write those numbers along here. So I already have 1, or maybe I'll do it right here. Okay, I already have 1, so I'm going to do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I hope I have enough room, 10, 11, 12. Just made it. Okay, you might have to do it more than once if it doesn't quite fit. But I just made it there. Okay, so I did 1 to 12. Now we're going to do the same thing for the 2s, but this time the 2s are going to go 2, 4, 6. Remember when we played the 2s game? We're going to do the same kind of thing. We're just going to do counting by 2s. We're going to go the same number of times. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, just made it. Ooh, that was tight. Okay, now we're going to do 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 6. Uh-oh. That time, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That time I didn't do a very even job. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna erase that one, because you're gonna run into this problem too. So I'm glad you're seeing what's happening here. And we're gonna draw circles just by hand around each, like this. Each circle is not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna give you an idea of how many you need to fill in. You'll see what I mean. And all the way around. Here's another one. Look at my wonky circles. Luckily, this is not a geometry lesson. This is a math lesson, so it doesn't matter what your circles look like. Okay, here we go. That's going to keep us on track. Thanks for your patience while I do this. It's going to help us. I'm going to stop there for a minute so we can keep going. Let's do the 3s. So we're going to do 3, 6, 9, 12. That's a 9. 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Wow, we were on track. 30, 33, 36. Huh, I wonder why it's ending up like that. I think it's because look how my circles are not very circular. That's probably part of the problem. Well, that's all right. You're going to do your best, and I'm doing my best, so we'll just see how this goes. All right, so this one's a little weird because that gets really fat there. But that's okay. We're going to stop when we know we have enough circles. All right, so it's a little weird, but that's fine. 36 is where we're going to stop because we have the equal number going all the way out. So now we're going to do 4s. 4, 8, that's terrible, 8, 12, 16, 20, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, oop, tricked myself, 44, 48. All right, here we go, 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Okay, 6s, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, 72. I'm going to pause with the numeral part, and I'm going to show you the next step in case you're somebody that's like, okay, I get it, Jessica, what's happening next? All right, so next thing is, I might have mentioned you might like to have some colored pencils or some markers, something like that. Here's what you're going to do. You're going to color in the center circle. And then you can color it however you want to. You can do a rainbow. Some people would like to do that. I'm just going to do whatever colored pencil I grab. So each circle is going to have its own color. And you'll see what's going to happen. Try not to do it too dark so you can still read your numbers. So you're going to keep going all the way out. And what you're doing is you're creating a relationship between the numbers in each circle. You already know that you made a relationship as you counted out like this. Those all have a relationship. Right? You did skip counting to get there. And you can go all the way out. But look at how we have, for example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. What's going to happen is you're going to have it in the center too. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. See how that works? Watch. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. Do you see how the 14 landed there? Here we're going to have 16. Here we're going to have 18. Here we're going to have 20. Here we'll have 22. And here we'll have 24. And look at that. This one ends on 24. We're back at 2. So we can keep going. I'm just going to go ahead and do it with you. But if you already know what to do, I'm going to stop. You can stop the video. You can go ahead and make your own. You can color it however you want and upload it and show us what you did. So here we have 8, 16, 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72, 80, 88, 96. And you can take your time, make it really easy to read too. 9, 18, 27, 36, 42, 50. Whoa, that is not right. Hold on a second. Sometimes you're going to go too fast like I just did. It's supposed to be 45. 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. 10, oh, this is so easy. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120. Now, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99, 110, 121, 132. Now we're doing 12s. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96. You might have to go a little slower than me, and that's okay. I'm just going quickly so you don't get bored. So we have an 8 there, 96 plus 12. It is 108, 120, 132, 144. Now, let's check this out. So we did 12s all the way around the outside. 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108, 120, 132, 144. And that's the same strip we just ended on here. Once you have it all colored in, you're going to get to see how you have the multiples of 1, the multiples of 2, and 3, and 4, all the way out. I can't wait to see how you do. I hope you had fun with this lesson.